Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices for Monday, March 14, and starting with the DAX here. So I got the rally wrong, so we end up getting another move to the upside, but I'm still going to keep wave 4 here, and we're going to look at an impulse wave to the downside. So the trade setup would be that we can look at this, well, we can see that that's a nice big third wave here and a fourth and fifth. So all we need to do is just, it's a little bit tricky to count either in this space here, but yeah, definitely 5 waves coming down. So all we need to do is just wait for a 3-wave rally. Now it might just pop straight from here on the Asian Open or something of that nature, or it might drop first and this and that, but basically just wait for that drop and then look for the low of the B wave at that point, and that will be the safe trade to the downside. Okay. Technically we should be making a new low below the bottom here for this, so a fair way to travel. So yeah, just steady as she goes. Okay, there's the European, there's the Asian Open. So yeah, we've got that little pop there. So we can look at this in terms of, while we're here, just grabbing that top there and that there, and we can look at that 50-60% retracement level. So what you're just really trying to look for here, I mean, it's great if you can count 5 waves in wave A here and 3 in B and then 5 in C, and then you could build the trade in on the short side. So that's doable. But as it stands at the moment, we've got that. We've got, now that it's opened there, we can go low below that point there. But now you have to wait for this ABC. You got to be able to recognize the B wave. You know, some sort of significant sort of pullback as a wave B, so to speak. You know, and this will be the same for the stock 50 as well. So we can put this under here for this. And we can look at this, you know, from this point here, I can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. That's all of the third wave there, and that's the fourth and fifth. So this has all got to be wave 1 sort of bundled up in there. And once again, we just look for that. We just need to look for that a nice clear pullback as a structure to go short under at that point. Okay. And the FTSE, we can do the same as well, again for the FTSE. So it's just a bit of a rinse and repeat of what we went through last time we spoke. We didn't quite get it, but so we can look at that low there, that's important, and we can also look at this second low here as well. So yeah, it might be higher up, and you know, as I mentioned, we can look for that 50-60% retracement level as the first box. But yeah, wait for that pullback there for that. So I was counting this down here as 1 and 2 here, or even 2 to over here, probably over to here, and then wave 3 here. So there will be a slight little overlap on this, but I think to line it up with the other markets is probably the best thing to do. Is this market bullish? Well, I would only turn bullish if the 73 became the tested support at that point. I mean, we're expecting the same thing to go on with the US markets, you know. So I'm pretty sure on the downside. Rightio. So the same with the USD here, the Euro USD. So once again, the same sort of pattern really. We've got wave 4 here. We talked about going short there. We can look at this here as 1 and 2 here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the third wave. So it's all of the third wave here, and A and a B and a C for the fourth wave, and probably over here actually. Not that it matters too much, but you may be short here already. Once again, we'll also have a impulse wave coming down through here that may or may not be finished. So any significant sort of rally, we may get a move down here first, and then a rally back here. But you can start looking for those short trade setups again. Keep building in. But in this case, we'll also be taking out the lows here as well for the euro US dollar. So really staying on the short side, keep the stop above wave 2 there, and we should be good to go. So I'll just pop that in there, or pop that on top there for the moment, and paint the town red, and good to go. Alrighty, I'll leave it all at that. So just all pretty simple. So I'll just leave it at that. Okay, enjoy the day. Cheers.